Alright everybody, so I'm going to go through the ground check here. Brake set. Throttle, we advance it to 1,800 RPM. We're going to check each magneto. Magnetos are good. Vacuum check, that's fine. Oil temperature and oil pressure check. There in the green. Carburetor heat check. That's fine as well. Throttle will bring back to 1,000 and we'll check the grounding at low RPM. And set back to both before takeoff. Checklist master switch on. Flight instruments. Let's just align the compass here to show 0 to 5. That's wonderful. Fuel select. Mixture skip for now. Electric fuel pump on. Carburetor heat off, engine gauges check there in the green. That exhaust normal, seat security latch, seat back seat erect. Belts and harnesses fastened, flap set for takeoff. Trim tab set for takeoff. Controls free. And we ensured doors were patched before. And we are ready to request takeoff from the tower. Fresno Tower, Tomahawk 23630 holding short of runway 29 left at Bravo 2, ready for departure.
Tomahawk 23630, Fresno Tower, left turnout is approved. Runway 29 left, clear for takeoff. Traffic 3 mile final for the parallel runway.
Clear for takeoff, runway 29 left, and left turnout on course is approved. Thanks for the traffic, Tomahawk 630. Wonders that there's traffic on the parallel runway. That's fine. So everything looking good for takeoff now. Okay, we're ready for this lovely, beautiful takeoff. Engine gauges are green. RPM looks good. 50 knots. 55 knots, 60 knots, rotating the aircraft, and we are airborne. Beautiful. And we are cleared for our left turn, so I'm making a nice left turn to take us towards Chandler. Now Chandler has a rotating beacon, so I'm going to be looking for some... we're going to look for a white flash and a green flash to get to Chandler.
Fresno ground, Tomahawk 6451, requesting to stay in the pattern. At the airport. With information, Mike. Can you give me the call sign again? Tomahawk 6451 Alpha. Tomahawk 6451 Alpha, Fresno ground roger, squawk is 0160. 0160, 51 Alpha. American 1349, cross runway 29 left, taxi gate via Bravo, Bravo 6.
Bravo 6 to the gate, clear to cross 29 left, 1349.
Oh, I think I see it now. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I see Fresno Tower, Tomahawk 23630 has Chandler Airport in sight.
Tomahawk 630, figures changing on the ground group.
Frequency change approved, Tomahawk 630. Alright, so just gonna tune in the Chandler CTAF 123.0 here to make sure there's no one in the pattern. Chandler traffic, Tomahawk 23630 is about 2 miles to the east. We'll be crossing the field at 2,000 feet, Chandler. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I just activated the runway lights at Chandler. And I put them on maximum brightness by clicking it 7 times. Alright, I'm just gonna check quickly the weather now at Chandler. 135.225.
Temperature 16 Celsius, 2.3 Celsius, altimeter 3009er. Fresno Chandler Executive Airport, automated weather observation 0402 Zulu weather, wind 310 at 8, visibility more than 10, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature 16 Celsius.
Okay, that's enough. We can go back now. Chandler traffic, Tomahawk 23630 is now over the field. We'll be making a 45 for left close traffic, runway 30 Chandler.